So this little boiler, this Wallstar, isn't firing up. You can see some very big bubble in the pipe. We were filled up, the tank was filled up a few days ago. Every now and again I've got to come out here and start it again, but listen, I wait till this car stops going by. I press this button and it tries to fire up. At the moment it's just going, well, you'll hear. Now the car's gone. I'll click this button, 3, 2, 1, click. And gives up again. What's that all about? I don't know what to do with this thing though. Normally I'd come out here, press that, and it would fire up again. I notice there's this little weird thing down here. I pull this in and out. It doesn't move very far, but pull it in and out. It does something to the oil up there. I don't know if it's to get rid of the air bubble, all it's doing, but there's still an air bubble up there. Is that air bubble and the air inside the system the cause of the boiler not firing up? What do you think, guys? Looking forward to your help.